Oh yeah! Yes! Great show!
I'll take a handful of mosquitoes right in my eyeball.
Over ticks. Yeah.
That thing is so cool.
Yeah, right? Look at this beauty.
That van is sick.
Straight to the hill climb.
An 18th scale one.
Brent, you're helping build the bridge. What's in your hand? Oh! Found one. Very cool.
I don't know if someone laid
Oh!
it down.
Yeah, no, that's where it was.
Right in the middle.
Did you find it?
It was right there. Yeah.
Oh! Well, there you go.
Only this one.
Then you found it.
All right.
That's yours. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey.
That is beautiful.
Wasn't that helpful?
Building bridges together.
Yeah, they totally did. Look at this beautiful rock area now.
I'm getting all soft.
Very good. Yeah, nice. Nice. Beautiful. Thank you, gentlemen. Totally doable. Yeah. Very good. Oh yeah. Yes. Great show. There's some wheel speed there. Yes, good job. Very good. It's incredible what human beings can do when they come together for a good cause. That's incredible. Helping their way across, making it easier. Done in a matter of minutes. Oh, backwards, Robbie. Uh-oh, there we go. Putting on a show for us, going in reverse, forklifting it. Then comes the Uni, long body. Uh-oh. Yeah, good. Robbie, your front passenger doesn't seem to be turning. Yeah, I think you got a broken axle. Oh no, that looked... I must have had an illusion.
Yeah, and like if you look, like see how that's a Tonka sticker?
Mm-hmm. It's that belly clearance. And comes the next. Yes. When people learn how to drive their vehicles, it is a thing of art. Good job building bridges. Radio control, the one hobby where you can get together, doesn't matter who you are, what religious affiliation you have, whatever political affiliation, that is all left at the gate. Here we are unified. Ooh. Nice job, that's a heavy load. Uh-oh. Great driving. Are you kidding me? Great job. Uh-oh. Yes. He was hung up on that front tire. Uh-oh. Team Tonka. Oh, nice.
It's safe to use back tires. There you go, straight.
Oh. Almost. Oh, high eye centered. Nice job.
There you go. There you go.
Wow. Wow. Oh. So close. Oh my, what? Yeah. That was incredible.
I'm gonna have to go after that one now.
Wow, that was insane. Wow. There we go. Miss Gem in the optic. Coming across the sunshine, coming out for a moment to light her way. Straight across, belly clearance, 1800 kV brushless. Oh, nice. Trying to go up the high side. As the sunlight comes on out, and away she goes. Good job, good job.
One more.
Here she comes. Oh! Nice start though. Still on her wheels. Putting on a show, landing on her wheels. Yes. Yes, good climbing. Get that wheel up there. Oh. Turn to passenger and back up. Yeah, keep going. Oh. Yeah, good job. Oh. Oh, now she's in there. Yeah, Bill.
Bill to the rescue.
Steel toe flip-flops.
Bill.
You got
Nice
all
job,
the
good
pedicure
job.
done. Yeah, his steel pedicure.
There you go. Nice job. All right.